Hi, I'm the daughter of a 3D artist and mentor, and my dad just made a super cool Blender add-on for y'all. He spends hours creating animations and renders, so he wanted something that could save time for every Blender artist, and that's why he made QuickRezo Pro V2.0. With just one click, you can switch between IMAX, 8K, cinema formats, camera presets, social media sizes, and even 360-degree rendering. No more typing resolutions manually again and again. Need IMAX or DCI 4K? Just click the presets and boom, your resolution is ready. If you use Sony, Canon, or Panasonic cameras, he added their professional resolutions too. You can also enter your own size, switch, width, and height for vertical or horizontal videos, set FPS, and render images or animations directly. So, whether you are making movies, product animations, social media content, or 360-degree VR experiences, QuickRezo Pro V2.0 helps you save hours of work. One click, any resolution. My dad made it with love for the Blender community. So go to superhivemarket.com to get it now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Save time, render more, create better. Thank you.